Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel in Expert Coding. So how are you? I hope you will be good. So, today again I have come with a new video how to make rangoli using from Python coding. How to make rangoli using from Python coding. So I am Amarjeet. Now you are watching Expert Coding. So how to make rangoli from Python. Also I tell you how to make rangoli from Python. Do you want to know? Then watch full video. Don't skip video. So let's go our desktop screen. So open your pycharm. Open your pycharm and you create a class. Already I create a class rangoli.py. And first here write import turtle. Import turtle st and hit enter. Again import color face and hit enter and write a speed. Write a speed I give 0 and hit enter and tracer tracer I give 10 and hit enter. Again write set pause. Here take set set pause. Set pause. In set pause I give minus 50 290. In set pause I give and hit enter. And here take background color, bg color. Here take bg color. I take black. I take black and hit enter. Next, I take here with 2, only 2. You can do 3, 4. And here take hue is equal to 0.75. Not more than you take because this like looking totally waste. So here using for loop for I in range. For I in range, I put here, I take here 780. Okay, and take colon and hit enter. And here take color. Here take color is equal to color says dot hsv, sorry, hsv to rgb. And here v hue 1 comma 1 and hit enter. And here take color is bracket color and hit enter. And here take hue plus is equal to 0.001, right? So next I take bk and hit enter. Next rt, take rt I take 88 and hit enter. And here take fd I give here 500 minus I by 4 and hit enter. And here again write rt, take rt. Here I take rt 110. So my program is completed, only 18 line program. So here write done. From 18 line program, so you can easily do. So let's go run our program. So here Angelify dot right click run this program. You can see this looking is so sweet, so good looking is very good. Mm, you can easily make this type rangoli. This type rangoli you can make easily. I hope you understood this program. So this, if you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe the channel. If you have any problem, you say in our comment box. So thank you friends. Thank you for watching.